And here's a look at the oxygen and propane tanks. There's a couple little chipmunks there. This is the oxygen tank here. Regulator on the oxygen tank has the green line here. Then the propane tank here, that's not connected. Here's the regulator for the propane tank, and as you can see there, there is a red line here. So here you have the propane and then the oxygen line. I have that running underneath. You can't see in here because it's dark, but this is a underneath the carport. So the line runs underneath the carport and comes out to the house where the torch is going to be at. That allows the tanks to be on the outside, and it's safer to have your tanks on the outside if you can do that. Okay, I'm starting to attach the propane regulator. Here's a look at it. You can see the line there goes into the side of the regulator. This controls how much gas you're going to allow right here, and I'm just screwing it in to the tank here. Note that to tighten this, you turn it counterclockwise, unlike normal threads. It's because it's gas. Also, I put Teflon tape on it always. And so I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up, guys, and then I want to set the mixture, the oxygen here and the propane mixture on our torch next. Alright, to set the mixture for your torch, the mixture of oxygen and propane, we use this part of the regulators. And first thing we're going to do is turn on the tank. So I've already turned this on, this oxygen tank, and what happens when you turn it on for the first time for the day, you'll hear a little hiss sound, but that should go away as soon as you open it up. And also you'll see your gauges jump up. Same thing for the propane tank as well. Obviously, if you continue to hear a hissing sound somewhere, then there's a leak and you need to definitely turn it off here. So both of these are already open, and I'm going to adjust the mixture now. And to do that, I have to go up to the torch to do that, open the valves on the torch. I'll show you how to do that in just a second here. But I wanted to point out that once you get this set here and here, you shouldn't have to change that very often at all, because most of the time you're going to be mixing your oxygen and propane through your Harris torch. If you're going to change alloys and you need to, have a cooler, an alloy melts at a lower temperature, you'll just make that that change in the torch itself. So yeah, once you set these, unless they're bumped or if they fall over or something, you shouldn't have to come back and reset them very often at all. So let me go up to the Harris torch and show you how to prepare for setting that. Alright guys, so here's a look at the torch, and I'm going to be setting the mixture here. Have the two lines connected to the torch here, as you can see, and everything is controlled with these two knobs here. It would help to have two people to do this, but I don't, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Have a window open, have the torch outside. We're going to be doing the oxygen first. So what I do is turn the valve here all the way open. You can hear it hissing there. Turn it all the way open, guys. Make sure that it's outside. There's nobody smoking or anything. Then I'm going to go downstairs to where the tank is at, and I'm going to adjust it down there. Okay. Alright guys, so I want to set this for 30 pounds, and right now it's about 34 it looks like. So I'm going to turn this until it gets to 30. Okay, there's 30 pounds. So that's all I need to do there. Now I'm going to go up and turn that torch off. Okay, I've turned the oxygen off. Now I'm going to open up the gas line here. Again, have the torch outside. Make sure there's no flames. Turn it all the way open. Okay, I'm at the gas tank here, and I like to set mine at around 12, 13, and I believe it is already set there. So that's fine. So I'm going to run up real quick and turn that gas off. I don't like the idea of that gas running like that. Okay, so the gas is turned off from the torch now, and tanks are still on, and we're ready to make a casting. And once you're finished making the casting, or end of the day, just make sure you turn the tanks off. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time, hope everyone has a great day and week.